everyone. Myself Simran Khetani and my topic is Wipro. So let us discuss about the software company Wipro. Introduction. Wipro Limited is an Indian multinational corporation that provides information technology, consulting and business process services. It is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, India. In 2013, Wipro separated its non-IT businesses and formed the privately owned Wipro Enterprises. Wipro Limited is a provider of IT services, including system integration, consulting, information systems outsourcing, IT-enabled services, and RD services. Wipro entered into the technology business in 1981 and has over 160,000 employees and clients across 110 countries. Its revenues were at 7 billion for the year ended 31st March 2015, with a repeat business ratio of over 95%. When did the company started? The company was incorporated on 29 December 1945 in Amalner, Maharashtra by Mohammad Premji as Western India Palm Refined Oil Limited, later abbreviated to Wipro. It was initially set up as a manufacturer of vegetable and refined oils in Amalner, Maharashtra, British India, under the trade names of Kisan, Sunflower, and Camel. In 1966, after Mohammad Premji's death, his son Azim Premji took over Wipro as its chairman at the age of 21. During the 1970s and the 1980s, the company shifted its focus to new opportunities in the IT and computing industry, which was at a nascent stage in India at that time. On June 7, 1977, the name of the company changed from Western India Vegetable Products Limited to Wipro Products Limited. In 1982, the name was changed again from Wipro Products Limited to Wipro Limited. Wipro continued to expand the consumer products domain with the launch of Ralak, a Tulsi-based family soap, and Wipro Jasmine, a toilet soap. How did the company evolve? From 1945, after the incorporation of Wipro, in the year 1982, it entered into the IT products business. In the 1990, it entered into the third-party RD service and IT services. In the year 2000, listed in the NYSE and entered the BPO business. In the year 2014, launched Wipro Digital. In 2015, key capabilities acquired to designate an Appirio. In the year 2017, it launched new brand identity and reticulated spirit of Wipro, underscore Wipro and Wipro's commitment to transformation and evolving client expectations. Management of Wipro. Rishabh Premji is the current chairman. Thierry Delacourt, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director. Anand Padmanabhan, the President, Business Development and Strategic Sales. Bhanu Murthy, BM President and Chief Operating Officer. This is Azim Premji and the current President, Rishabh Premji, Chairman. Wipro GE Medical Systems. Wipro GE Medical Systems Limited is Wipro's joint venture with GE Healthcare South Asia. It is engaged in the research and development of healthcare products. This partnership began in 1990. Today, which includes gadgets, equipment of diagnostic, healthcare, IT, and services to help healthcare professionals combat cancer, heart disease, and other ailments. There is a complete adherence to Six Sigma quality standards in all products. Wipro's aim is to continue its transformation from a low-cost provider of outsourced services to become a global information technology leader, delivering world-class solutions to its global customers through a process of fostering ongoing internal and external innovation. Wipro's global presence, servicing customers in 50 plus countries, presence in 35 plus countries, global workforce comprises of 50 plus nationalities, investment from 24 plus countries. It is there in America, Europe, Middle East, and has footprints in other continents as well. Achievements. Wipro was ranked first in the 2010 Asian Sustainability Rating (ASR) of Indian companies and is a member of the Nasdaq Global Sustainability Index as well as the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. In November 2012, Guide to Greener Electronics, Greenpeace ranked Wipro first with a score of 7.1 by 10. Awards and recognition. In 2018, Wipro received ADP's Best of the Best Award. In 2017, Wipro was recognized as one of the most ethical companies by US-based Ethisphere Institute for the sixth consecutive year. In May 2016, it was ranked 755th of the Forbes Global 2000 list. Wipro won Gold Award for the Integrated Security Assurance Service under the Vulnerability Assessment, Remediation and Management category of the 11th Annual 2015 InfoSecurities PG's Global Excellence Award. Wipro won 7 awards, including Best Managed IT Services, Best System Integrator in the CEO Choice Awards 2015. In 2015, Wipro was ranked 52 among India's trusted brands according to the Brand Trust Report, a study conducted by the Trust Research Advisory. Wipro was ranked second in the Newsweek 2012 Global 500 Green Companies. Wipro received the NASSCOM Corporate Award for Excellence in Diversity and Inclusion 2012 in the category Most Effective Implementation of Practices and Technology for Persons with Disabilities. In 2012, it was graded the highest rating of stakeholder value on corporate rating 1 by ICRA Limited. Wipro honored as 2010 Microsoft Country Partner of the Year Award for India. It received National Award for Excellence in Corporate Governance from the Institute of Company Secretaries of India during the year 2004. Thank you.